And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap, I smoke skunk with my beats all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Mo West and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it'd get happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honey's plenty close like butter plate toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast, condos in Queens, in dope for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Smalls speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood, and it's still all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was getting broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew's lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my